karamihan ng artist may alagang pusa. Meron ka bang idea kung bakit mahilig sa pusa ang mga artist?
As for me...
Yeah. Yung sa yung experience.
Yeah, I'm actually a dog person. No? Pero, hindi ako namimili ng kahit na anong hayop. Talagang, I love animals in general. Ngayon, ang daming mga stray cats sa kalye, lalo na yung kinukuha ko, yung mga may sakit, payat, may sugat. I told myself, gagamutin ko lang, papatabain ko lang, and then release. Ang kaso mo, napapamahal na sa akin.
Nagkakaroon ng attachment.
Now, going back to your question, kung bakit maraming artist
kasi sci-fi, may artist. Yes. Si Jamie Lee, yes. Maraming pusa din, di ba?
Ano sila eh?
Si Cherry, may pusa rin.
These creatures kasi are multi-dimensional creatures.
Okay.
Well, sabihin na natin ito sa pananaw, sa spirituality. Anyway, going back.
So, yung sa pusa, again, going back. Pusa, sabi mo kanina, multi-dimensional.
Yes, they are multi-dimensional animals, and that is scientifically proven, no? When they sleep, they don't sleep here sa mundo natin. They travel. They travel. When they purr, they're like, ano daw the frequency of yung purring kills you no? Also, they're not like kala hindi sumusunod, not trainable. They're very intelligent, no? Actually, they know the names.
Ini-ignore ka lang?
They're just, yun lang, ini-ignore ka lang, pero pag gusto nila, papansinin ka nila. Nakaka-relate. Parang nung nag-alaga ako ng pusa, nakuha ko na rin yung nila yung gawi nila. Parang 60% of the time, natutulog ako.
Pero nakatutulong ba yung pagiging kalmado with the cats?
Yes.
Sa paggawa, sa paglikha ng pyesa?
Yes.
Kasi kalmado sila I mean,
yes. They will not bother.
Diba?
Yeah. Although, ito, si Panda, particularly when I'm doing wire sculpture, talaga pag umiikot yung wire, gustong-gusto niya. Pero pag sinabi ko, please stop, Panda. I need to, mau ang sabi ko, I don't know kung alam nila yun. Mau needs to finish this. Now, bibigyan ko siya ng isang upuan, itatabi ko doon sa table ko, para nanonood na lang siya. He will stop naman. Unlike kasi dogs, I'm not against dogs, mahal ko din ang dogs. Yung energy kasi nila is too much. Yung talagang...
I-wrestling ka, di ba?
Yes. Kumbaga, as an artist, hindi ka it's hard to concentrate, no? It's hard to concentrate. Unless, you put them in a cage. But still, maingay pa din. Yun.
Okay, next question. Being a visual artist, like sculptor na rin, di ba? How does music affect your creativity?
A lot.
Okay.
Kasi mahilig ako
ano favorite music mo or banda or genre?
I like punk. I like what do you call this? Well, alternative, yeah. Indie. I like indie.
Hindi maganda? Hindi magaling?
It's underground.
Yeah.
And,
Tubero. Alam ko, favorite mo, Tubero. Kaibigan natin yun.
Ni-introduce yan.
Oh.
Hello.